Hi, I'm consumer expert Jeanette Pavini with just one thing to do to save money. Make sure your fridge has a tight seal. Test it by closing the door on a piece of paper. If it pulls through easily, the seal may need to be replaced. Keep your refrigerator between 38 to 42 degrees. Test the temperature by placing a thermometer in a glass of water on the middle shelf for 24 hours. A stocked fridge has an easier time staying cool. Water jugs are a great way to take up space when you're low on groceries. Replacing a fridge older than 1990 with an Energy Star model can save up to $1,100 over its lifetime. PG&E offers a Recycle My Fridge program with free pickup and $50 for your old fridge. If nothing else, do just one thing today. Test your refrigerator seal, stock the fridge, or consider recycling your old fridge.